West Goes Wandering. So, my friends asked me to marry them. Even after I told them I have no idea what I'm doing and there's probably a better person to ask, they're like, nah, you got this. So this is how that's going. Mush is rough, mush is tough. Apparently you guys can't get enough. I now pronounce you husband and wife. I came to the moon rocks because my friends are mooning over one another. They're getting married. So I guess it's past mooning. Come on, these are jokes, kids, joke. I just discovered that I can watch people marrying other people online. I just plagiarize. So that's the direction this is going. Your love is like the moon rocks. White and chalky and kind of cool. It's your wedding and you're getting married. Let's do this thing so we can drink and I don't have to be in front of all these people. Getting after it. Look, I wrote down words. Icarus is with me. Lucy wasn't invited, but that's okay. This is what snowmakers look like. These have been done for months, by the way. These have been done for months. Yeah, this has all been done for months. We're not furiously trying to finalize vows and ceremony scripts. That's not what we're doing here. Record so you get the red numbers there, so it's been recording for 2 seconds. Dan, you look very handsome. Your cell phones are on silent. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Wes. I have the privilege and honor of being Dan's friend and marrying Dan and Erica today. We're gathered here to celebrate journeys. 2 journeys becoming one. Erica and Dan. At least officially. Truly though, both Erica and Dan started their journey to each other many, many years ago. Many years before they met. In their youth, when each hour of the day seemed like all the eternity in the world, Dan found a love for the outdoors and Erica a thirst for knowledge. They spent their time cultivating desires and learning about the world. As they grew, those hours became days. They began to imagine a future. Dan dreamed he would run away with Hayley Williams of Paramore. And Erica had a thing for Aaron Carter. Truly hoping he would sweep her off her feet. Clearly, they would develop finer tastes later in life. Not all of their thoughts were frivolous. They also grew into the morals and the dreams that their parents imparted to them. This was when the story of their love truly began. As they measured time in weeks and months, their deep belief in kindness, compassion, and community solidified. They began to shape the world around them into the place they wanted to live and explore. This is when they would finally meet, just behind us at Mount Rose as lifties. Have a good day. The tentative experiment of love began. They started to measure their time in years and make plans for the future. Through fishing in Alaska, dude ranching in Montana, and hunting trips in the desert, they grew ever closer. Now, we are here because they are considering a lifetime together. I understand that you've prepared vows. Thank you so much.
Good job, Sport.
Did you get any of that? We did it. We did it. Nobody's more shocked than me.
at
Join
that's
in
looking
lawful
for Sky
wedlock.
Tavern.
This is looking for Sky Tavern?
I believe so, right? Like if you read the sentence. That's like some fucked up high stakes Mad Lib right now.
Dude, it is. It is. That's my issue. I'm just gonna say Sky Tavern. That's what this one says.
I mean, that's where you guys are getting married, so I'd say so.
Yeah.